Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 19 of our 30 days of yoga series. And today we are focusing on restorative yoga because it is self-care Sunday. So we're going to slow it down today, and what you will need is your mat. And you'll need a bolster if you have one, but if you don't have a bolster, you can always get a pillow or a blanket, or maybe 2 or 3 blankets, and grab those and we'll get started. So we're going to start in bound angle pose. So you'll bring the bottoms of your feet together, the knees will go out to the side, and then sitting tall in the spine, lifting the shoulders up and back. Hands can rest on the knees or the tops of the thighs, whatever is comfortable. Maybe you rest them at the ankles. And we're going to take 5 full breaths here. So you can choose to close your eyes if you like, or you can stay where you are. So when you're ready, let's all inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then opening the eyes if you had them closed, coming back into your space, we will transition into a restorative child's pose. So you're going to grab your bolster if you have one, or you're going to grab your pillow. And if you'd like to have a cushion under your knees, you can have the blanket for your knees, or if your pillow is a little low, you can also stack the blanket on top of the pillow, and that'll help you in your child's pose. So I'm going to opt to not have the blanket under my knees, but actually on top of the pillow. You're going to bring the knees wide, kind of beside the pillow. Big toes will come to touch. And then you're going to lay forward onto your bolster or your pillow. So the pillow and the bolster just add a little bit of extra cushion. And we're going to stay here for about 5 breaths, 5 full breaths. And your head can be turned in whichever direction is comfortable for you in this moment. You can also opt to change the direction halfway through. So when you're ready, let's all inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Now, if you'd like to sit here a little longer, you can pause the video for a couple more breaths and then come back and we'll transition out of it. If you'd like to move on, bring the hands beside your bolster or your pillow and press yourself up. And then we're going to put both off to the side. Now the second part is going to be legs up the wall. So if you're not near a wall, you may want to get near one. And what I like to do is scoot my hips to the side as much as I can, close to the wall. Once I'm very close, I'll just bring both legs up. And then I like to have both arms out to the side. You can also have them down by your side if that's a little more comfortable. And once the feet are on the wall, you may have to scoot a little bit closer. Maybe you want your legs closest to the wall. Maybe your hamstrings are a little tight and you're a little bit off of the wall. That is fine as well. You can always bend the knees and have the legs at an angle. So I like to have my heels into the wall and to flex my feet. And we are going to stay here for 10 breaths, 10 full breaths. So once you get situated in this pose, we will start with our breathing. So whenever you're ready, let's inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. 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 Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. And then just slowly bend the knees. We'll come back over to the side and press yourself up. And we'll come back to the mat. Coming back to our bound angle pose with the feet together and the knees out to the side. And then sit tall in the spine with the shoulders up and back. Hands can rest on the knees, tops of the thighs, or on the ankles. We'll end with 3 deep breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And bringing the palms together, hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste.